Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Davido laments cost of clearing Lamborghini. Popular award-winning singer Davido, popularly known as Davido, has lamented the payment he made to clear his Lamborghini at the Nigeria port. The Afro-pop singer has called for prayer for the country as he described the amount he had to pay for the clearance. "You don't even wanna know how much I just paid to clear my Lambo. Pray for Nigeria," he tweeted early yesterday. The Afro-pop singer bought an luxury Lamborghini Aventador worth over 300 million as an early Christmas gift for himself. After he sold out London concert earlier this month, the singer has also acquired a membership. Replying to the latest tweet, a fanrich.com said there's still membership clearance. In response, Davido hinted that his father, billionaire Adeleke, would settle the clearance fees for the members as he tweeted, "I am my father's child for that one."